guys, it's Olivia and Corbin, and I made some slime earlier.
No, I can't do it.
Yeah, you can touch it. Ew, it stuck to your finger. And so mine looks blue because I put in Tide. Tide works. I'll make some tomorrow. Okay, January
Jam.
20th.
Mommy.
What?
It's jam. It's a jam.
It's a jam
Yep.
at either 5 or 6 or 7 o'clock. Let's start over.
I did.
Hold on.
Hold on.
No, leave it.
Sorry. Second.
He's a dinosaur from our imagination. Bye guys, make slime tomorrow.